All right, ma'am, have a seat and let's do this. Nobody has all day. Let's go.
Oh, okay. I mean, well, let's get started with the Q&A since you got an attitude or whatever. Fine. Okay. Can I at least fix my hair? Yeah.
No, you should have did that before you got here.
You gave me an attitude. Okay.
State your name and age for the camera.
Oh, I'm not about to tell you my full name. My name is Ari, okay? Also known as Arijaneparker, and I am 27 years old. What's the next question, Mr. Sir? Let's keep it rolling since you got a smart ass mouth. Okay. Do I eat meat? Yes, bitch, I eat meat. Don't it look like I eat meat? What the fuck?
Ma'am, what are you doing? There is no drinking on set.
First of all, don't tell me what I can do in my life, okay? You asked to interview me, I didn't ask to interview you. Okay. My birthday is September 7th, okay? You do the math since I just said I'm 27 years old, so. Hello. What's next? Well, I mean, I'm not really too sure what a star sign is. Are you asking me what my astrology sign is? Oh, okay. If that's the case, I'm a Virgo. Virgo Nation, bitch. Gang, gang. Okay, I'm sorry. You're right. You're right. The American people are not ready for that. My bad. Okay. What's next? My favorite color? My favorite.
Give us the lipstick routine.
See, he gonna have to go. If you want me to continue to do the interview, he gonna have to go. My favorite color is lavender. Where am I from? I'm from Cleveland, Ohio, but I currently reside in Texas.
Oh, ma'am, what are you doing? You can't keep drinking.
Okay, well, no need to get smart, sir. You asked me through the interview. I need a drink in order to get through it. Let's go. Am I more of an artsy-fartsy or a mathematic person? Let's go with mathematics, because I'm, like, really good at math, but I ain't shit in art. I mean, I could do, like, a face or whatever, but, like, trying to, like, be artsy, no. I like to look at art, though. But no, I'm good with numbers, though, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all me, dog. That's all me. Yep, totally did pass preschool, but what's in that thing? No, I have never been on TV. You know what? That's a lie. I was on TV one time for like 2 seconds. So back in high school, around Christmas time, I used to work at Justice. Shout out to Justice. I don't know why the fuck I just shouted them out. Anyway, I used to work at Justice, and like the mall is like really packed around that time, so they asked that like the newscaster or whatever was there, so they were going around there just asking like all the shoppers like, hey, how was your experience? So this is Channel 5, so me and my girls, we was on there, and I was like, my experience was amazing. She's like, okay, great, so you're gonna be on Channel 5 at like 10 o'clock that night, right? So I call my mama. I'm like, hey mama, I'm about to be on TV or whatever, get ready. Call my grandma, call everybody. Bitch, when that aired, it aired, and I think I was on there for like literally 2 seconds. I was pissed. Like, dude, I got clowned. Do you hear me? My family clowned me. Like, you thought you was gonna be on TV, but you wasn't, okay?
What's your favorite curse word?
Oh my gosh, I have so many. I think if I had to pick one, it would probably be bitch. Cause I mean, bitch could be used in so many different like terms and ways. Like it could be like, bitch, stop playing with me, or like, bitch, don't play with me, or like, bitch, did you see what was on last night? Like, bitch is just a term of endearment. Like, that's my bitch. Like, I don't know. I really like the word bitch. I like the word fuck. Like, I say fucking a lot. Like, fucking bitch. Like, I say heifer, hussy. Use hussy in a sentence. That hussy is getting on my damn nerves. Or you fucking hussy. Or that freaking hussy. Or that freaking heifer. I got like so many. Or most recently it's like, what's big, sweetie? What's big, sweetie?
What's big besides my Chanel purse?
Your upper body.
Your upper body. Like that. That is my shit. So, yeah. But I think my all-time favorite curse word would have to be bitch. Yep, let that sink in. Bitch. Do I remember my first love? Damn, y'all nosy. Yes. His name, sorry, I was eating some nerves. His name was Taylor Pryor. And he was my first. And I remember my mom clowning me so bad behind that. So, you know, I was like in the, I think like the 11th grade or whatever. And he was in like the 12th. He had failed a couple times, y'all. He was a little slow, but he was still cute though. Anyway, we have been dating. Y'all know he's working Burger King, so I used to go up there and get free fries. Ha! Yep, always been a pimp. Always been Meg the Stallion. Sorry. Well, I used to go up there and get free fries, and one day he's just like, you want me to be your first? And I was like, yeah, I want you to be my first, because, you know, I thought I was all in love. Trust me, when you're young and stupid, everybody is your first love. Yep, anyway, we wound up doing it in his basement. It didn't actually happen, though, because I was a punk. But my mom felt like it happened, so she went and questioned him, and it was horrible. And at that time, Jeremiah's song, Birthday Sex, had just came out, so she would, like, blast it in the car because we happened to try to do it on the day that it was his birthday. There, I fucking said it. I need to fucking drink. I fucking said it, yeah. There we go. Okay, so it happened, and it's a very tough experience for the kid, but the girl came out looking beautiful, and I don't know how the fuck he looks now, so I haven't seen him or talked to him in years, so way to bring up old feelings. Thanks a lot. If I had to pick a celebrity crush, homosexual. Okay, girl crush. Okay, so I would totally bang Tiana Taylor. Like, Tiana Taylor is a shit. Yeah, I would totally bang her. Her body is amazing and everything. I would probably say Riri, but everybody wants Riri, so I gotta go with the person that don't nobody want. So, well, I mean, people totally want Tiana, but I feel like it's less people than fucking Riri. So we're gonna go with Tiana Taylor. Boy crush, probably Idris Elba. Like, I'm really obsessed with Idris. I used to be obsessed with Trey Songz until he started doing his whack shit with Power. Like, when he remade Power song, I just no longer liked him. I just didn't like him anymore. But yeah, totally would have to be freaking Idris Elba. I like him a little older with a little gray in their hair anyway, so. What is my favorite food? All-time favorite would have to be Mexican food. Like, I absolutely adore Mexican food. I think I am Plexican, honey child, boo-boo. I will eat tacos every day, and not just like the tacos with like the lettuce and the cheese and tomatoes, although I like those. I'm talking about authentic street tacos where it's just cilantro, onion, and the meat. Like, whew, Jesus, I will go a freaking week and eat that straight. And the less English they speak, the fucking better. Those make like such an amazing tacos. If I walk into a place and I see the freaking menu is not in English, I'm like, thank you, Jesus. I have arrived, bitch. Yes. Like, those are freaking amazing. Like, I will eat like 7 or 8 of those, like, back to back. Mexican food is my shit. Quesadillas. I love margaritas. Ooh, margaritas is my shit. Like, you talking about somebody getting drunk. Ooh, bitch. Yes. Margaritas is my shit. Can I twist my tongue? Can I roll it? I don't think so, but I can definitely say, okay. What's up, Cordy? I can totally say that. So
Give us a lipstick routine.
Okay, like, seriously, you have to get him out of here, because I'm not about to keep on dealing. No, I'm not about to keep on dealing with this. I'm just not. Okay, nobody's talking to you, sir. I will get to your question in a second. Am I single or in a relationship? I'm single and I'm ready to freaking mingle, but it gotta be with the right person. Like, the problem is that I keep on attracting the wrong people. Like, I really do love a good thug. Like, thugs are my I like gentle thugs though. Like, you know, like pretend thugs. Like, he in the streets, but he ain't all the way in the streets. Like, he know how to treat his lady type. I like those. Those are like my go-tos, and that's why I'm probably single right now, because I continue to date that, and it's no good for me. They treat me like shit, but yeah, way to get me emotional. Great job. What happened with my last relationship? What did happen with that? I don't know, because I don't consider like me being in a relationship for like 6 years. Have I dated since then? Yes. And what happened with the last dating incident is he just got too cocky. Like, he wasn't even all that cute. See, that's the problem. Is that, you know, women, beautiful women, they date these ugly dudes and they give them this confidence, and then they get to feeling themselves and talking shit. Like, no. Okay? So I talked to him and he wasn't all that cute, but his smile. I have a thing for smiles, you guys, and smiles are just my, yep, they get me caught up every time. But anyway, his smile was amazing, and then he just really got ahead of himself, and yeah, no, I had to let that go. Do I want any kids? No, but I have 2. I have 2 kids, and I'm not having no more. Like, I've tried it. Kids are just not my juice, you know. I love the shit out of my kids, but I'm totally not gonna have any more. I've learned my lesson. I don't understand the people that have kids like back to back to back to back. Like, I had 2 at the same time. Like, I have twins. Cool fact. I have twins, and I just no. They're at the age now where like they just say whatever. Mom, your wig is crooked. Like, they just say whatever. Like, they just don't care. And that's probably why I just be like, I'm not having no more, because kids just don't give a fuck. They just don't. Like, we think as humans or as an adults, we don't give a fuck. Like, children and old people are probably the most disrespectful people you'll ever meet in your life. Children and freaking old people, because they just at an age, they don't give a fuck. Too young to give a fuck, too old to give a fuck. You know, they just don't care. And that's why I will fight a kid and I will fight an elderly person. Like, square up. It's whatever. Oh, yep. All right, I'm gonna go because that probably went a little bit too far. When did I start doing makeup? I started doing makeup about 2015. Yeah, 2015, maybe like around 2013. Yeah, 2013 is when I started, and it was horrible. I look back on some of those pictures like, girl, now you know. Like, thick ass eyebrows. Like, my eyebrows were literally this thick. They were blocks. They were brought in together. I caked on freaking foundation. I caked on bronzer. I caked on blush. Anything and everything you could name up, it was caked on. The eyeliner was caked on. Eyeshadow was caked on, and everything. Honestly and truly, I didn't start getting better until about last year. Like, my eyebrows and stuff had come a long way. Like, they weren't thick anymore or anything like that. But as far as like where it looked good on camera was probably about, no, maybe earlier this year, maybe like 4 or 5 months ago. Honestly and truly, like, this just came about. Like, I had to switch up the foundation routine. I had to switch up my eyeshadow routine, and that just came from me watching and being like, okay, now, like, I'm not about to keep getting showed up. What happened was I joined like some Facebook groups, and every time I would post, wasn't nobody liking my shit, and I was like, I'm not about to do this. Like, y'all about to come and like my shit. So I perfected my craft. Well, it's not really perfect right now, but we're getting there. And, you know, I came with that shit, and I was just like, y'all, you're not about to keep doing this to me, sweetie. You're not about to keep scrolling past me. Okay. So I just made sure my shit popped, and here we are. Here I am with y'all, because y'all liking it, and I'm liking y'all, and I'm happy that y'all feeling it, because y'all feeling right. All right, I'm sorry. It pisses me off. I don't think we have time. I don't think that we have time for this, because there is a lot. Like, I ticks, okay? I hate when people ask me stupid shit. I guess, I mean, it could be anything that's stupid to me. I guess, though, we might want to just keep it down to this video or, like, the YouTube channel. So, the thing that, like, really pisses me off is when motherfuckers that are not subscribed to my channel come over here talking shit. Like, what? Why you here? Like, even about my background. Like, you know, I hate your background. Bitch, I hate your name. Okay? I fucking hate your name, Annette. I hate your name. Why are you here? You do realize that you don't have to continue to watch. You do realize that there is a button for you to exit and move on to the next. As a matter of fact, I think they're lined up on the side that you can click another video. So why are you here? Dropping off negativity. Or I hate when people, like, try to pose the negative comments as, like, positive shit. Hey, sis. First of all, bitch, we not cool like that for you to be calling me sis. No, don't fucking call me sis. Okay? I just wanted to let you know that your camera was shaking, okay? And I just wanted to let you know that you ain't gotta be here. Okay, like, do you realize that? Is it just me, or was the camera shaking? Is it just me, or you don't have to watch? That where I'm at. That where I'm at with it. Like, I can't stand that. Like, you do not have to be here. You don't have to be here with your negative comments. You know what happens when I don't like negative shit? I politely click the fuck out and keep the shit rolling. I don't have to. The worst thing you can be in this world is a fucking hater. That is the worst thing that you could ever be in this world, is a hater. Ooh, y'all getting deep. Can I commit to one person?
The world may never know.